pick what workout we want here. So I'm gonna do some endurance stuff. We will do the hill interval, 30 minutes, and the fun begin. Okay guys, just got done on the elliptical and stuff, so that was good. I did 20 minutes on that. I got rid of the hills interval because it wasn't going fast enough. And then now we're gonna go hit the speed bag. So that should be good. Try to get a little bit of a shoulder workout in. And then we'll go from there. Start on the speed bag here. Okay guys, so it is the next day here, and we're actually doing the kind of at-home photo shoot. So I don't really have a white screen to go behind anything, but Perk Saloon in Minnesota, we're covered in snow. So what it is, I set the bike out here and stuff. I'm gonna flip the camera quick. So basically, I have a Canon camera, I don't know which one it is. So I'm gonna try to get some shots, and then we're gonna go over our sponsors and stuff. So we have Climb hooking us up with gear. I'll go over that in a minute here. But another one is Twin Air. They're hooking up with some air filters. So we're gonna make sure to get some pictures of those, and yeah. So like I said, Climb has been a super good sponsor. They've been helping us out with gear and stuff. So I'll walk you over a little bit of what I got. So I run the XC Lite. So this is all last year's stuff. And basically they have their new jerseys released, but I cannot order the pants yet. So what I did actually was had this jersey for a while, but the pants that I had with it, it's actually a couple-year-old stuff. The pants I had with it ripped. So what I did, went on their kind of last year's stuff. Then I went and picked up some of these old style XC Lite pants. Also got a fresh set of gloves. So we'll be set until we can order some fresh pants. So basically what I'm going to do now is put some of that gear on, then go stand out by the bike. Hopefully AJ can get some pictures. He's 10 years old, no, 11 years old, so we'll see if he can work the camera good. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. You on?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got some pictures of stuff and the gear. I don't know how they necessarily turned out, but I think it'll be good. Posted on a Facebook page. It's Jack Doty. It'll be public, so you can follow me on that if you want. And that's a wrap for the photo shoot today, guys. We were able to get some good photos in, so I'll probably put those in the video. And you can also follow me on Facebook. I'm starting a page, public to follow. It will just be Jack Doty. And then I just want to say thank you again to all of our sponsors. Climb Racing, they've been a big help with gear and stuff this past year, and I'm looking forward to the future with them. And then also Twin Air, they stepped on this year and helped us out a lot with air filters and everything. And then also like to say thank you to Tracks North MX, probably one of the best tracks in the upper Midwest. Another thing that I'll be doing, so I'm going to start the vlog series called Pursuit. So basically this is probably going to be a weekly vlog, going through my life and stuff, and just my goal is to get to Reliable Lanes this summer and stuff and make it there. So the whole thing, the word is pursuit. So I'm going to pursue my faith, my fitness, and then also my passion, which is riding dirt bike. So make sure to follow along. This will be vlog number 1. I don't know the quality of it. We're just going to kind of learn how to film. So just stick with us. It'll get better, I promise. Thank you very much. See you next time.